Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a lime congealed salad. It's real easy, it's not hard to do. First of all, we're going to take a package of lime Jello. It's one of the 3 ounces. 4 ounces of cream cheese. And then we're going to take a half a cup of water. We've got 14 large marshmallows we're going to mix in that. One of them got away here. We're going to put this on real low heat, and we're going to have to stir it constantly until all of this stuff melts. Now I think our Jello mix is thickened up and all the marshmallows have melted. Now we've let our Jello mix cool just a little bit. We're going to add our other ingredients. 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 15-ounce can of pineapple undrained. We need 4 ounces of milk, and this has 5, so I'm just going to leave about 1 ounce in there. This is Carnation evaporated milk. I'm using half a cup of pecans chopped up. Now we're ready to put this in our casserole dish, and it is a 7 by 9, 3 inches deep. We're ready to let it sit up and gel now. We'll put it in the refrigerator and let it cool. Now that our Jello has finished and gelled, it's ready to eat. So I hope you try this and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.